Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to improve blood volume. So, I'm going to go through two things. One is related with nutrition, and the other thing is related with our physical activity. So, we'll talk about nutrition and exercises, how they can help to improve our blood volume in our body. So, let's talk about number one is exercise. How exercise improves our blood volume. Physical activity increases blood volume by stimulating the release of hormones that expands plasma and blood volume. Especially the endurance training can increase blood volume. So you pick your endurance activity. A lot of people they like to do swimming, some people they like to do stationary cycling, some people they like to do rope skipping. So these are all prolonged activities. They are all endurance exercises. So endurance exercise, endurance training, it can increase the blood volume in our body. So number two is exposure to the heat. So exposure to the heat can increase blood plasma volume by as much as 15% in as little as 5 days. You can try riding in hot temperature. You can try turning off the fan during workout, but we don't want to go into dehydration either. So make sure you drink plenty of water during all aerobic exercises because we don't dehydration is another problem. So a lot of things are associated with dehydration. So we don't want to get dehydrated either. We want to continue our aerobic exercises without getting into dehydration phase. All right. Next one is eat iron rich food. So what you're going to eat is you can eat iron rich food and you can get it from beetroot, green leafy vegetables, meat, and liver. Number four is eat food high in vitamin B12. So how you will get vitamin B12? You can get vitamin B12 from meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, and fortified cereals. Fortified food is where they add extra nutrients to speed up the to improve the dietary nutrients in that food. So they are all high in vitamin B12. So all these which I just told you, meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, eggs, and fortified cereals, they're all high in vitamin B12, which can help increase red blood cells count. And next is few things you have to avoid. So avoid caffeine, salt, and alcohol. Caffeine, salt, and alcohol can cause low blood volume in your body. So we have to avoid these things. If you don't take these things, then it will help to not going low in blood volume. Number six is leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in iron. Iron is required for hemoglobin production. And what else? You should eat red meat, beans, and legumes, seafood, nuts, and seeds. So these things, they improve the blood volume in our body. So you have to be careful about those things which I mentioned, no caffeine, no salt, and no alcohol. Otherwise, all other nutrients, they are good for improvement in blood volume. So that is end of the video. I hope you will like it. Please comment if you need any other information. Please comment.